I am going to do an updated tutorial of MobileSheets Pro for some new features that I discovered recently that make life a whole lot easier for me. For those that watched the last one, you'll remember that I used to use Ultimate Guitar Form for my acoustic duo for containing my tabs and set lists. But that had its limitations, so I went over to MobileSheets Pro. One of the things I did though was I went ahead and just used the existing Ultimate Guitar Form tabs that I had. So, and this is what those look like right here in this case. The problem with this is that the text is very small, and I can make that bigger, but you really can't do anything to it. It's time consuming to export a tablature as a PDF, import it into this program, and then you're pretty much locked into whatever you have. So if you wanted to change the key, you wanted to transpose it, or anything like that, then you'd have to go back and redo the PDF. But what I discovered just the other day is you can actually import directly, or export, I should say, directly to MobileSheets Pro from Ultimate Guitar. And this is very handy. So I'm going to show you how I do that right now. So I'm going to go over to Ultimate Guitar. So here is the tab I have for Rock Around the Clock that I use, that is our lead-off song for our acoustic duo. So what you do is up in the right-hand corner, top right-hand corner, you get the three dots. You press that, and that brings up the More menu. You hit Share, second from the bottom, and then you hit Open With, and then that brings up a bunch of programs on the bottom, one of them being MobileSheets Pro. You click on that. That then launches MobileSheets Pro. It asks you for a name, so in this case, we'll just give it Rock Around the Clock. That then brings up the edit field here. So from here, what I like to do is I hit the Fields tab on the top left, and then I just put in the artist, which is the only thing that I populate in these fields anyway. And so that's Bill Haley and his comments, but I'm going to just do Bill Haley for now and hit OK. Okay, so now if I go over to recent, at the top, Bill Haley, Rock Around the Clock. So this is what it now looks like. So it's very small and difficult to read, but that's very easy to fix as well. If I hit the center, which brings up the edit menu, on the top right, the large letter A, click on that, hit text display settings, and then the text size field, I just keep hitting the plus and until I get it to the size I want. If you look at the upper right hand corner, it says 1/2. That's how many pages. I try to keep it to 2 pages, so I just keep going up until I hit 3, and then I go back down until I hit 2, hit OK, and there, now I have that. So now I want to make a few other changes to this. I hit the little pencil, which brings up this again. And then I want to add to the title line what capo position I'm using. Okay. All right. And now, and the other thing I wanted to do was to add the title, because I like having the title right on the song itself. So now to make changes within the document itself, hit Files, and then over on the right hand side, just below the camera icon, is a little square with a feather, a little quill basically. You click that, and now you can have access to exactly what you're seeing on the page. You can transpose the keys, or you can edit it, which is fantastic. So I'll go up onto there, carriage return a couple times, and then type in the title. So I have that. Rock around the clock. All right. And now I have all of the information that I want. And then if I want to, this is great because if I want to go in, change the key transpose, I can do it. If I want to add or delete anything, or oftentimes with the PDFs, there'll be a mistake in there. And the only way to fix it is to go back over to Ultimate Guitar Form, fix it in there, save it as a PDF, export it, re-import it into MobileSheets Pro, but then you're stuck with what you have. Now that I have this, I can actually go in and make all the changes I want to the existing file. Hit save, and you have to go back out and then go back in to get the changes, and there you go. Perfect. And then from here, I would go in and just do the normal things that I do, which are to, down in the right hand corner, the little metronome. Just tap. That's how I set my tempo. 1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. There, start the metronome. I got my metronome set up in the top. I hit settings for that. Hit it so it auto starts. I also prefer a 5-bar count in. So I do that and then close that. And then in the bottom left, little down arrow, I hit my scroll settings because it's more than one page. I do a 20-second start scrolling when it's loaded. Okay. And there you go. You're done. So now when I select this song, it'll automatically count me in. Auto scrolling starts in 20 seconds. Gives me a 5-bar count in on the top left corner. And there. It's bigger. I can see it easier. And I can make any changes that I want. So anyway, I wanted to share this because it definitely takes what's already a great app and just makes it that much more powerful and easy to use.